Okey. Jom. Dah, jom. Jalan. Jalan. Masuk dalam.
Masuk je.
Apa es tu? Noah, stroller kat sini ya. Sini. Sini. Okey dah. Cepat lah.
Bawa sikit. Bawa sikit.
Abang tu tanya abang tu. Sebab dia ada kunci kakak. Ambil ibu yang masak tu.
And your nose. Where is your nose? Where is your nose? This is your stomach. Where is your nose?
Sorry.
Alright, this is your nose, and that's why I want all of you to story.
Toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Alright, two more.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, last one.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Good children, give me your applause. Wow, you guys are so amazing, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, before we continue our last song, how about we bring it together? Come on, everyone, let's bring it.
Then we go home.
Yeah, good job. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe. And breathe out. Alright, for the last song, you guys want it easy or if you guys want a hard one, I want all of you to call your mommy and daddy to dance together with you. Come on, call your mommy and daddy. Alright, okay. Alright, come on, call your mom and dad to dance together with you. Yeah, come on, I'll give you 5 guys. For the next song, I'm gonna do the banana cha-cha. There's so many steps in this song. Alright, for the first good job, you guys. I want all of you.
Makan dulu. Baru kita datang dulu. Baru kita datang dulu. Datang dulu.
Jom.
Dia nak makan.
Makan.
Mak ada es krim lah.
Okey dah. Simpan. Okey. Dek. Okey, pakai. Makan.
Penunjuk kaki sangatlah penat. Okey. Nisa, jom. Dah, jom. Jom. pusing. Pusing. Pusing lagi tak? Tak pusing. Pilot. Okay, pusing depan. Pusing depan lah. Ikut tu. Noah.
Tengok pusing.
Pusing slow-slow. Belakang. Dia pusing lagi.